jeep. Have you seen my wife?
No. I never saw her this morning. She never passed this gate.
That means she's inside.
I hope no problem, Sha.
Oh. Goodness. What's going on? Ken! What's going on? Ken, look. Oh, Benita, please, Benita, please. Somebody help me. Is in the hospital around? Help me. I don't know. I don't know. Can we get into the hospital around?
Time. Let's take us to the hospital.
Can you even help me enough? Help me!
Yes, I know one.
Help me! Not the hand, the leg. Help me! Oh, goodness. Benita, help me! Somebody help me! Open the door!
Just in my office. Mr. Fred, why will you initiate such a thing? Do you think it's everybody that's mentally and physically strong? This is a woman who loves you with all her heart. Now the result is unfolding. Let's pray this does not cause any damage on her. Seriously.
This is not going to solve anything. We told them we're going to get something. Let's go. Come on, let's go.
Fred, what's that?
Jesus.
You want to kill us both? Please leave the wheel. Fred, get down. Leave the wheel. Can you please calm down? Calm down, please. Can you imagine?
Doctor, what are you saying? I don't get. This wasn't what you told me the last time, and now you're singing a new song.
If it sounds like a new song to you, so be it, because you caused it on yourself. All I'm trying to say is that her soft center had been affected seriously due to the pains. Henceforth, we'll be noticing some strange changes, especially loss of memory.
Doctor, well, hope she will recognize me.
Hope so.
She has been like this since morning. And the doctor said it's a new development.
Look at me. Look at me. It's me. The love of your life. Fred.
Huh?
What is going on?
Ah! No! Call the doctor! No, babe! Doctor! No! Doctor! What? My goodness! Doctor! Why are you doing?
Thank God the doctor is working on her. You have to hold on to yourself.
Hold on to myself? How on earth do you think that is possible? I just can't stop thinking of how foolish I've been. Look at what I did to that poor woman. Just because I want to know if she's cheating on me or if she truly loves me. Now I know. Just take a good look at what I've done to her.
Do not judge yourself. I have not said anything. Let's keep our fingers crossed and see if something positive can come out of it.
My goodness. What pushed Fred into doing this? What?
I knew how much I spoke to him. But he bent on fulfilling his games, calling me names. Anyways.
What about her family? Does he have plans in telling them?
Yes. I spoke to him, but he said no. He said he's going to cause small damage. Then good.
This is somebody's daughter. She's somebody's daughter and she has a family too.
I know. But let's just cross our fingers. Let's keep our fingers crossed and see if there will be an improvement before going to the family.
Fred is making another mistake. Tell him I said so.
If there is anyone to do the telling, should be him, not us. Do you understand? Joyce, do you understand?
I do.
Good.
Do you understand what I'm saying? Did you understand? Fred, did you understand me?
Understand what? Have you been talking, doctor? She asked me what you've been saying. I swear I do not know.
That is because your body is here but your mind is absent.
What did you say?
It's very difficult, but you have to hear it.
What? Go ahead, what's it?
Okay. Oh, no. Everything went well. How it went. You know, right? You're right. Yes, you are right.
That's the victory you're celebrating now, right? I'll be going home to do one or two things. I'll be back in a minute. Excuse me.
Oh, I said it. I mean it.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. My everything. My wife. My heart. The mother of my beautiful. Mother of my beautiful daughter. My priceless jewel. My love. I do not care about what the doctor said. I know who you are. I know the woman I married. You're a fighter. We will fight this. And we will come out victorious. We can always go back to the time we started. We can start everything all afresh. When everything was fruitful, rosy. When we used to be happy together. Just like the very first time we met. That fateful day when you were showing that little boy so much love. Let us rebuild. Let us unite. Together, we will win. Let us rebuild. Reunite. Together. Yes. We can.
It's all about choice, yeah.
Sir, there was not enough powdered milk, so I added tea.
Thank you.
How is madam?
She's getting better.
Ah, thank God. Maybe by Sunday I'll come and see her.
I don't think that will be necessary. The doctor said that all she needs now is rest, not disturbance.
Sir, I thought you said she's getting better.
Oh yes, she's getting better, but I don't have to go contrary to what the doctor said. She needs rest, not visit, not disturbance.
Okay, sir.
Alright, Joyce will come here later. Just give it to her as soon as she comes, okay?
Okay, sir.
Alright.
Fred, I've been calling you, Ocho, and you're not taking my call.
Call me just once. How you say you've been calling me and I'll take your calls? Let me show you. "15 missed calls."
I thought you said it's just once.
But I totally forgot my phone was on silent. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. Are you serious, Ken?
10 your stars walked in some office. What were you thinking? You would have cost us a damage of a whooping sum of 100 million naira. Oh, come on, Fred.
Dollar changed everything. checked. I mean,
Yes. Oh, yes. You checked and cross-checked. The same way you refused to pick my call that made me rush down to this place. You made a great mess in all the documents you handled today. Come on, bro. I decided to check the document before submitting it as you pleaded. I will help you submit them.
Ken. Ken. Ken, I'm gradually losing my mind. I don't know what to do. It feels like my world is crashing right before my eyes.
I know. You just have to take it easy on yourself. All we need is God's intervention. You don't need to hit it hard on yourself. Oh, yes.
Mr. King, I'm Mr. Fred. I have a good news for both of you. Yeah. She's making a U-turn and she's responding to treatment herself. Yeah. So all she needs is love and affection. The same love that drew her will also help her to come up again. You just have to take it gradually, the one step at a time.
Okay. Thank you, doctor.
So she will gradually regain her memories.
Thank you, doctor. Thank you, doctor. Thank you. I have to take her to that very special place where she derives nothing but happiness. I'm sure it will enable her recover fast, as well as getting back a memory.
That's a good one. That's a good one.
All I am doing is for the good of all men and for the love of one woman, Benita.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thanks for everything. Honestly, you have no idea all I've been through trying to, hide this from my family and that of Benita's. Thanks for everything. Thanks for just sacrificing your time. Thanks for being there for me. I mean, the time given, everything. Thanks.
You don't have to thank me. That's what friends do. Benita is more than a sister to me.
Thank you. Thank you. waiter. Babe. Huh? Babe. Don't. Oh my goodness. My good problem. What's all this? Sir, I'm sorry, please. Sorry. She's
She's not okay. She's not feeling fine.
sorry. You know what? I'll just get another plate for you. Waiter! I'll just get him to get you another one.
She's not okay.
Understand.
Please.
I'm sorry for the way I spoke to you.
I'm sorry. It's alright. Can I get you another one real quick? Wait.
No, don't bother yourself, okay? She can have the food. I'll get myself another one.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. You're so kind. You're far too kind. Thank you. No!
Hey.
No.
Benita.
Benny, no. Babe.
Please, you stop crying.
Huh? You're just there?
What to do?
Okay. Just all right.
This you guys should do something about this.
We're doing something, babe.
Please, just be alone.
Babe, you're embarrassing me,
Please.
baby. Doris, have you seen it?
Please. Please, you stop crying, please.
Kid. Okay.
Benita.
Just do something about this, please.
Babe.
She's not okay. Please just be alone, please.
He's romancing her. Is it part of the plan? Okay. You know what? 1 second, please. What is this?
Fred.
Doctor, this is way out of it. I mean, what kind of embarrassment is that? Just take a good look. This is too much, doctor.
Embarrassing. No. It's a blessing in disguise.
What did you just say, doctor? A blessing in disguise? Doctor, how can my wife be doing this and then you call it a blessing in disguise?
Yes, okay, hold on. Let me explain to you. You say you took her to the first place you both went and you ordered for the same food.
Yes.
She must have reacted when you got there. Whether good or bad, that would have been your first sign. The next thing is that push button that will make her happy.
Is this what you have to tell me, doctor, this evening? Is this what you have to tell me this evening? You were not there. I was there. My wife was sitting with someone she doesn't know. A complete number, a stranger sitting so happy. No, you tell me. Tell me if she were your wife, would you be happy? What are you talking about, doctor? What qualifications do you have? How are you even a doctor? Huh?
Something must have triggered it. Look for that clue. Maybe the picture and the position of where the man is sitting is exactly what's in her memory. Mr. Fred, you need to fasten your seatbelt to this flight that is about to take off.
That is what you have to say. Thank you. This is all you have to tell me this evening, doctor. Thank you.
I seriously need to go. I want to go home.
So, babe.
I want to go, man. She can...
Sorry. Are you just gonna keep? Let's go, please.
Please.
I need to go. I need to go.
Can we go?
Don't do what she wants, please.
She has to go with me.
Have you seen it?
She can't go with
Now
me.
you seen it. Let's go. All I get is this is it. Your plan.
Man, I think we should go outside. We should all go outside, okay?
Benita.
Well, let's go outside, please. Hey! Let's go.
This is what you did. Sorry, but he was grabbing her waist. Is that part of the plan? Hey, careful. Alright? Are you going to help her? He's hugging her. Okay, alright. What do we call this? I know big slippers. Another man is hugging. Good. Keep your hands up. Don't hug. No. Keep your fingers up. He's hugging her. What do you want to do? Full hug. Full hug. Full hug. Nah. Is this part of the plan? What's going on here? Do whatever she wants. Do whatever she wants. He's hugging her.
She's crying.
Okay, you're gonna lock me outside. No problem.
Let's go inside.
Go where? I'm here. Go. Is this part of the plan? Alright.
That's right.
No. Joyce. This wasn't the plan. It was not the plan at all. It was just to go to the fast food where she remembers, where she can recollect, get back her brain. Now he's giving her full hug. Ken, where are you? Oh, thank goodness you're here, Ken.
What is? What was the meaning of that?
What's that for? No. I don't know. I just don't understand. I don't understand exactly what the doctor means. What is this? You need to see what happened here before you came. I was picking slippers and my wife was hugging another man. Hugging tight.
Listen, I suggest you call on her family before this whole thing blows out of proportion.
And tell them what? No, I'm asking you, and tell them what? That I'm playing games with my wife, diverse paper games, and then I left my wife into another man's arms. My wife is acting abnormal. Is that what you want me to tell them?
Tell them whatever.
God! But I now big sleepers and another man is hugging my wife.
Hey, baby.
Who the heck is she? I don't know. What's really going on here? He was hugging my wife!
What's going on here?
Babe, I can explain, okay? I can explain this, please.
Explain what? What explanation do you have to give to me when you cannot even ask her to leave?
Baby, you...
Hey. Wait. Please, hold on, please. What am I waiting for? Why are you telling me hold on? It's not what you think. If it's not what I think, then what is it? She's not okay. She's not.
You put me in trouble.
If she's not okay, what has that got to do with my fiancé? Is my fiancé a doctor? If she's sick, then she needs to go to the hospital.
The woman in question is my wife.
Your wife?
Oh yes, his wife. That's why we need you to calm down, so we can explain. Please, just try as much as you can to be calm. Please.
All she needs is rest. Boss, how is she?
She has been stable since I gave her medication.
Wow, good to hear that. So, Fred, how are you?
As you can see.
See, I don't know how you see this. Why don't you allow that young man visit your wife often? It will help her recover from this.
Doctor, if I heard you properly, you're asking me to give another man access to my wife. It's not really a good idea.
Mike, my man. Have fun now. How your side? Bro, I did have to take leave for Nigeria now, huh? Guy, don't be like that now, eh? Don't be so. Yeah, normal levels now. Everybody's fine. Yeah, my woman, she's in the room. She's okay. No, bro, I do. No, it turns out for this side, when Naija had died, bro, we swear down. No more. Your car is okay. Your car is in perfect condition now. No. I dey use am cruise on a guy. But you see where this car don't carry me go like this. Boy, I dey cause problem for road. Huh? Get your right sweet tie. I dey tell you, your car is in perfect condition since I was using as a routine. No more. No wahala. I'm on you be, my G. Guys, so now your car go okay. Alright. Okay, I'll call you later now. Alright. Hey babe. This one you're angry. Hey, your face is like this. Hope all is well. My love. Talk to me now. I want to say it again.
Now I'm your love. When you were busy giving that lady attention, you did not remember I was your love.
Ha! Babe, I wasn't trying to help now. What would you have wanted me to do? Huh?
Trying to help at the expense of your own girlfriend. Happiness.
There is no feelings attached. Besides, Benta is someone's wife and a mother. So why would you be thinking I'm having...
Hold on. Is there a place where a married woman cannot fall in love with a single guy?
My love, I have you, baby, and you're enough for me. You're beautiful, you're amazing, you're gorgeous. So why else will I be looking at another man's wife while I have my own here? Come on, baby. Huh? I love you, and you know this. Huh? You belong to me and I belong to you. My heart belongs to you as well. You bring me so much happiness. I love you beyond words. Believe me. You're everything I ever asked God for. Huh? Another chance.
Okay, don't wash me again.
Baby, I'm not washing you. I'm telling you real. I'm being real here with you.
Baby.
Love more. Love more.
Before you go any further, where's the money you promised me, Joe?
Oh, that reminds me, baby. Next week, I promise I won't fail you next week, please. Okay, next week I'll make sure I paint you. Okay.
Okay.
I'm so sorry. Okay, you know, I'm working on something, so the business is gonna click next week. So I'll make sure I paint you.
I'm feeling it.
I'll double it.
You double it.
Of course, come here. Come here, my beautiful. Look how fine baby she is looking.
So you see, this used to be our usual spot. I asked her why she wanted this exact place, and then she said how she wanted to see everyone that comes into this place. Just take a good look at my wife. So you tell me, what am I going to do?
What is it?
What is going on? What is happening to you? Please talk to me.
What are you doing? Stop. Oh my God. What are you doing?
Okay, here we go. Fred. Fred. What's up with you? Come on, play.
With this last shot of mine, I swear if God delivers me from this lion's den, I'll never go close to the zoo again.
Oh, pardon my manners. I'm sorry I'm smiling. But you see, I wish God can show us the end of some things so we can avoid it completely over what it may bring us.
Ken, you think if I knew things would turn out this way, I wouldn't have avoided it? Just thinking of how she would accept this whole thing when she comes back. Her reactions towards me is another thing I am strongly preparing for.
What if she decides to divorce you? Because you've totally made her life a big mess. What will you do?
Well, I'll summon both families. I have a big surprise for them.
Very well then. Let's keep our fingers crossed. But for the meantime, let me beat you like a kid you are on this ball.
Not after taking my own shot. Doctor! Doctor, I went to the ward. I can't find my family.
You're not there?
Are you asking me that question? Are they not supposed to be under your care? Where is my family?
Sorry, I'll stand it that way, please. I was just coming back from another hospital where I went to conduct the operation.
Where is my family?
Hold on, I had to...
Where is my family?
Hold on, please.
Hello, Ken. Ken, I can't find my family. I've called Joyce. Her phone is off. You don't understand. I've tried to reach everybody I know just to get in touch with them, but nobody. No one seems to know where they are. Ken, I think I'll just go over to Stanley's place. You never can tell. Maybe Stanley took them in. His phone is off, Ken. Can't you just listen? He's off. Yes, please. Please, do everything that you can. Please, try for me, my brother. Please. All right. Just call me if anything comes up. All right. Thank you. What is all this? Where is my wife? Where is my wife?
Fred, all of a sudden you realized you have a wife and want to care about her well-being, right? You think I was sick?
Daddy, it seems like Mommy won the game.
What game?
Yes, game. Like you told me when I caught you carrying Mommy from the bedroom to the living room.
Oh, hey man, Fred, I'm not part of this from the onset. I was briefed.
Neither was I party to it. I just got to find out when I first met you.
Why?
I should be the one asking you why. Fred, why did you do that to me? Why did you torture me this much? I will sleep in the room, you will bring me to the sitting room. I was wondering what was wrong with me. Why did you do that to me, Fred? What have I done to deserve all of that? As if that is not enough. You served a divorce paper. How heartless could you be? Well, if you must know, you promised her a big toy. I promised her mother's undying love. And she spilled your secret.
Mommy, what's the problem? Why are you crying?
It's nothing. Just a mother's thing.
Not tell me nothing, because I have been watching you, and there is something big bothering you.
Something big?
Yes, something big. And you think I don't know?
My child, you're still a baby and you know absolutely nothing about feelings yet.
I'm serious, Mom. In fact, I know why you're crying, and I'm ready to let go of the toy that was promised to me to tell you a big secret that will make you win.
A big secret? What's that? What secret? Who promised you a toy?
I will not tell you unless you tell me why you're crying.
I'll tell you, in as much as you're still a child, but I know you'll grow into a beautiful woman someday. You see, I wouldn't want you to hear it from outsider or your father. I would want to tell you myself, hence I'm going to do this. Princess, your father and I are going our separate ways.
I don't understand, Mom.
Okay. Listen. Your father is divorcing me. I've talked to him to make him change his mind. I've pleaded with him, but he wouldn't budge. He kept on insisting on a divorce. For some time now, I sleep in the room. I'll wake up in the sitting room. I don't know why that is happening. I guess that's the reason your father wants to divorce me. And it's eating me up. This is not what I ever wanted for us. I love my husband. I love you, baby. I love our family. I never envisaged this. Hence, I'm broken. But I'll be fine.
Mommy.
Yes, baby.
You must promise me that you'll keep a secret. And you buy me an even bigger toy than Daddy promised me.
I will. You know I can do anything for you, my princess. Tell me.
Daddy said he's playing a game with you and he wants to win. That's why he keeps carrying you from the bedroom to the living room in the night. He wants you to fall for him and make him to win.
Fred, why? Why? Oh, God. It's okay. You know what? Come here. You keep pretending like you never told me anything. Okay?
Okay, Mommy.
Thank you, my baby. You know Mommy loves you. Come
I
here. Thank you. Go thank your stars. Our daughter here is your saving grace.
My intentions got out of proportion. This wasn't my plan at all. Please, find it in your heart to forgive me. Please.
Don't touch me. I will not. You're heartless. You're mean. You're very, very wicked, Fred. Do you know the amount of stress you put me through? Do you know the magnitude of what you did to me? And look at you, here, expecting me to throw everything to the wind and forgive you. You destroyed every bit of feelings I had for you. You shattered the love I had for you. The only person that kept me in this house up until now is our child princess. Else I would have been long gone.
I love you.
You don't love me. You don't even know what love is all about. You can't treat me like this if you truly love me.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. This wasn't my intention at all.
There's no point, Nellen. If you know what's good for you, stand up and continue with your game.
There is no game. Benita, find it in your heart to forgive me. Please.
He's my cousin.
So, Joyce, that's all then. You masterminded it.
Well, I only gave an advice. An ordinary ABC turned out to be an equation. That's why I rushed in and I suggested the nearest hospital when she passed out. And the doctor's working on this.
Doctor. What have I done to myself?
As a matter of fact, you've really done too much to yourself for hurting me so dearly. Do you know the amount of what you did to me? What happened to you? Fred, what happened to us? People envied us. Everything was moving smoothly. We were perfect. Then you suddenly changed. Good morning, darling. You're ready for work?
Yes, I am.
Let me help you adjust your collar. So, it's better you stay for a breakfast.
Nope. I want beverages, but there are essential beverages at home, so I'll take coffee at work. Then go to the market, stock up the house with some beverages.
It's okay. Alright, baby. Do have a beautiful day at work.
You too. Go through it. Sign it. I'll see you when I come back from work. I'll call you. Take good care of yourself. I love you.
I love you very much.
Hi, how are you? Open.
Why would Fred want to do this?
So don't tell me Fred wants that without any reason.
I just told you we're fine. As a matter of fact, we live in peace. We've not been having issues. I'm just confused.
This is not ordinary. Something is wrong somewhere. And you don't need to relent.
What would you rather have me do? Joyce, tell me. I just told you we're cool, nothing is wrong. All of a sudden, he woke me up this morning and served me the letter.
Just like that?
Just like that.
Well, it's a little late right now, but I'll advise you, do not sign it. Tell him to give you some time to sort yourself out. I'll talk to him about it.
Well, I think that sounds good. Thank you.
I think that will work. It's okay. So where are my goods?
Okay, Rita! Rita! Please bring my friend's order, okay? Don't worry, I'll give you your 5% discount.
Oh, thank you very much.
And I have a top I'd like to give to you. Just a gift from me to you.
Oh, I thought you wanted me to spend more.
No, don't worry. I got you.
Hey, babe. Are you still at the shop or would you want me to come pick you? Huh? Alright. Alright.
Hey, baby.
Hi, honey. You're welcome.
How are you?
I'm fine. How's your day at work?
My day was fine, and yours?
You can go freshen up while I serve dinner.
Dinner is ready.
It is ready.
Wow. Alright, I'll be down in the jiffy. Alright, in the jiffy.
Fred, what is really going on? What are you up to? Are you serious or you're acting a movie? Is this some sort of trick or something? What exactly is going on? You're confusing me.
I don't understand what you're talking about.
Well, I was talking about Princess.
Oh, Princess. That reminds me. They should be vacating in 2 days' time, so she should be home.
You know I never liked this idea of boarding school.
How many times do we need to repeat this word? Boarding school is best for her. I'm always busy. You are too. So who'll take care of her if she's home? Boarding is most preferable if you ask me. You are such a good cook. You know, Ryan? What? Great, man. What is it?
I want us to talk.
Talk? Babe, can't it wait till morning?
No, I want us to talk now.
I'm listening. I'm listening.
It's about the letter you gave me this morning. I've been wondering, why do you want a divorce?
I know that you love me and I love you too. But you see, this whole commitment, responsibilities, I don't think I'm ready for it. Something is weighing me down.
I don't get it. I don't understand you. We are doing very fine. Everything is moving well. Your work, my shop. I mean, we are good. Why would you want to divorce me?
Sweetie, it's not about your shop. It's not about my work either. I just want you to understand me. I'm not used to this kind of deep commitment. But that's not to say you don't love me. That's not to say love doesn't exist here. It's just that, you know, I'm just not ready. But it's late. Let's try and sleep.
Okay. Baby. I'm sorry. Maybe I've wronged you and you don't want to talk to me about it. I just want to apologize. I love you so much, Fred. I don't want a divorce. I want you.
Babe.
Please.
It's not about you.
It's about what then?
Sweetie, it's late. Come sleep. We'll talk about it in the morning. It's quite late. Come here. Come, please. Come on, baby. Come. Please, come and sleep. It's late. You have work to do in the morning. Have you signed the divorce paper? My lawyer needs to see it.
Well, I haven't. You need to give me some time, Fred. It's not as easy as it looks. I didn't plan to ever divorce you. It came as a shock to me. I need time to process this whole thing. I need time to come in terms with the fact that you are no longer mine. I need time to summon the courage to sign the papers. And I need some time.
Good. How much time do you need?
Fred, you really want to do this?
Oh, goodness. Are we going to keep talking about this over and over again? It is what it is. Just tell me, how long do you need to sign the papers? How much time you need?
Give me a month.
1 month then. See you later.
Are you out of your mind? You crazy or something? What do you mean you want to divorce her?
Benita and I have been having serious issues and it doesn't look like what I want for marriage.
You must be sick. What are you talking about? Listen, you have a good job. She's doing well in business. You love her and she loves you too. So what could be the reason?
There are too many commitments, too many responsibilities. I am not sure I'm ready.
Wait a minute. Are you running away from responsibilities? Oh, is that why you want to divorce her? Then you need some medical examination. Listen, let me tell you. Benita is the best woman. If you lose her, you'll regret it the rest of your life. Why would you want to divorce her? Honestly, you will never be happy in case you're seeing another woman.
What are you talking about? You know me, I'm not a cheat, you know. I love Benita. It's just that I don't think we're compatible, that's it.
You love her? I can hear you talk. You love Benita and yet you want to divorce her. Anyway, like I said, you need some medical examination. Yes, you need to be examined. Love indeed. You love Benita and yet you want to divorce her.
What is it? This thing has been eating me up.
Welcome, my sister.
Thank you. I decided to come see you since I haven't heard from you since morning. Did you sign it?
I did as you asked.
Oh, good. So what was his reaction?
Surprisingly, nothing. He just walked out.
Well, he accepted it. I have this feeling Fred is seeing someone else. Yes.
I can understand why you're feeling that way, but no, my husband is the most faithful and caring man on earth. He can't possibly be seeing any woman. I'm sure he's not cheating on me. I'm trying to figure out where all this problem is coming from.
So why is he doing all this? Why?
That's a million question I can't answer. But cheating is out of it.
Hello. Hi. How are you doing?
Fine. And your day?
Great. I thought you said you were closing up when I called you. Go to sleep. I feel you'll be hungry by now, so I said get you something.
I was hungry, but I'm okay now because I've been thinking about a whole lot.
I understand. Work stress. Well, not to worry, everything will be fine. I'll just be on my way now.
Okay.
Thank you. So I'll call you. Be good. Don't stress yourself.
Fred, look me in the eyes and tell me you truly want this divorce.
I truly want this divorce. Just waiting for time to elapse.
No, you don't. You're obviously lying to yourself because if you truly want this divorce, you would have stopped caring. Why are you caring? Why are you keen about me?
My bad. I'm wired that way. I cannot stop being caring. Just like that.
You just lied. You're not wired that way. I know what it is. I know the game you're playing with me. You're trying to break me. You are toying with my emotions. I get it. I get it, Jack. You want to see me cry? You want to break me? Fred, you have done all of that to me. Could you please stop now?
I take exceptions to that.
I do not like to see you cry. It's just that it's not something I want. I'm not ready. I need that to get into your thick head.
No. That's not the point. I know what it is, Fred. You found someone else. You're seeing someone else. You are doing everything to get me off your way so you can enjoy life with a special person you found. Could you please tell me who the girl is? Who is she?
Benita, you're one of the people who know me well. You know I'm not a cheat. I'm just not ready. But that doesn't mean I don't love you. I love you.
Oh, please stop it. What do you know about love? Do you even know anything about love? Fred, you don't love me. Because if you do, you will never ask for a divorce, especially when I know I haven't done anything wrong to you.
My heart is broken. But I want this divorce over and out.
Fred, we're still talking. Fred, you're walking out on me. Fred, I said what? Fred! Fred! Fred, we're not done with this conversation. No, not again. What is happening to me?
Good morning. No. I want to know why you abandoned me here and went to the living room to sleep.
I abandoned you. Are you serious? What is going on?
This doesn't make sense to me. You mean you slept in your room and found yourself in your living room? Is it that somebody took you there or maybe you sleepwalked?
I'm perplexed. I don't know what to say. The whole thing is so confusing to me.
Things are becoming more complicated.
You're right. I've never experienced this before.
This is confusing. It is.
I don't know. I tried to think, to know how I got there. Unfortunately for me, I couldn't wrap my head around it. I couldn't figure out anything.
Do you sleep that deep?
I don't know. Everything is happening so fast.
Ken, I'd like to ask you something.
Okay.
I just want to know your opinion on this issue.
And what?
For instance, someone slept in the bedroom and wakes up in the sitting room. What must have happened to that person?
Oh, well, that can only happen to the one sleeping, walking to the place, or being carried to the sitting room. And this can either happen to someone who sleeps deep.
Sleep deep. So, what is that other one you spoke about?
talking, sleeping, or...
Oh, sleepwalking.
Oh, sleepwalking.
Yeah. We also have sleep talking. This basically happen to those sleeping and talking. Like I said, it can either happen to those persons that sleep deep. Why do you ask?
I just wanted to know.
I see.
Anything for you, I'ma do to make you smile. God bless the day you said you'd be my number one, the queen of my heart, number one. Girl, you don't hide me, yeah. Yeah. Anything for you, I'ma do to make you smile. God bless the day you said you'd be my number one, the queen of my heart, number one. Girl, you don't hide me, yeah. Yeah.
Oh, baby, please, she has to stay with you. I have lots of work to do at the office, so I'll see you guys when you get home.
It's okay.
Hmm?
Okay.
All right, then.
Bye.
Bye.
Princess, come to mommy.
So, what's going to happen to our daughter after the divorce?
She's fine. She's in the boarding school, so she stays there.
No, Fred. I'll take her with me.
Who made you the judge of that? Why on earth do you think that you would say what happens with our daughter?
How about your divorce plan? Are you also planning to keep it away from her? Won't you let her know you're divorcing me?
Well, like I said earlier, she's still little. When she comes of age, she would appreciate me for what I did.
Fred, do you think you're doing the best for your family?
I'm doing the best for me.
Including the divorce plan?
Exactly.
So how have you been coping with things?
Joyce, I won't lie to you. It's becoming more frustrating. It happened again. But fortunately for me, I woke up before dawn. I had to quickly go back to the room to sleep with my husband and my child.
God, this is becoming something of great concern.
I think I should go for church counseling. I need to seek spiritual help. I'm confused.
How long has this been going on?
It started a day after he asked me to sign the divorce papers.
I don't know Fred of being diabolic. I would have said he knows something about it.
I'm thinking, are you not sure Fred didn't find out about this and decided to go for divorce other than asking me what's going on? Because I don't understand the sudden change in his attitude.
Perhaps, but he should have found a way to solve it, not a divorce.
What do you want me to say? I swear, I'm just confused. I don't know what to believe again. God.
I'm really confused myself, but we have to think of something. This is not normal.
I know something is wrong somewhere, but I can't just place my hand on it.
Now that your daughter is back, tell me, will you still go ahead with the divorce?
Princess is only here for vacation. In 3 weeks, she will go back. Moreover, she's still a kid. She doesn't know what is going on.
So one day, she will know the reason you divorced the mother. So what will you do about that?
By then, she must have come of age. And she will agree to me the reason I divorced her mother.
Fred, will you just cut off this whole crap and put your family together?
Can we just stop talking about my family, my personal affair? Really? Yes. And then we'll talk about something else. Maybe work. Oh, that reminds me. Lunchtime is over, so can we just start heading back to work? Remember, you have an account you haven't reconciled yet.
I've done that. And I've submitted it also, which you signed. So what are you talking about? Come up this whole thing, admit this whole thing and change.
Are you ready?
Let's go.
I'm just confused, especially about the recent experiences. I will sleep in the bedroom, wake up in the living room. I don't know why that is happening to me.
He knows about it?
Yes, and we've been having issues because of it. I'm confused. I can't even wrap my head around how I left the bedroom and walked down to the living room. Okay, let me assume someone is taking me to the living room. The question is, who is the person?
He once told me about it, but he wasn't precise. He didn't even tell me it was you.
He was mad at me the last time. He felt I intentionally, deliberately left the bedroom to the living room. But that's not what happened. I don't know, but I'm confused. I love my husband so much.
Well, it's okay. I'll talk to him, right? But please do not sign any paper for any reason, okay?
I will not. Thank you so much for the lunch. Take me back to my office.
It's okay.
Mommy, I hope you and Daddy will celebrate my birthday in school. Ella's parents celebrated her birthday in school.
Princess, I don't think you celebrate your birthday in school. But trust me, we're going to give you a very big birthday party. How about the amusement park, the biggest one? Hmm?
No, Daddy, please. I want to celebrate my birthday in school.
Don't worry, my princess. You will celebrate your birthday in school. Okay?
Yay! I love you, Mommy.
I love you, my baby.
I love you, Daddy.
Love you too.
Fred, do you want to divorce me because of the constant sleep in the room and waking up in the sitting room?
Far from it.
You lie. I know that's the reason. But that's not the right decision. I'm your wife, for crying out loud. We should come together and look for a solution, not you seeking for a divorce.
And I said far from it.
In case you don't know, I had an awful experience the previous night. Luckily for me, I woke up before dawn and joined you and our child on the bed. How long is this going to keep happening to me?
That's strange.
Strange. Is that all you have to say?
What else will you have me say? Strange. This is strange.
I don't know. I woke up and found myself in the sitting room. I can't tell how I got there.
Listen, let me tell you. If you lose that woman, you're going to regret it.
Ken, my life, my family, my personal business.
You are my friend. And that makes it my business. Also, remember, that woman has done you no wrong. That woman is innocent. I mean, if she have a problem, go ahead and help her out. Not to divorce her.
Ken, we've been friends. You know I'm not a bad person. I don't maltreat her. I don't treat her less than I would treat a queen. But things are not going on well with me.
So you want her out of your life so things can go well with you? Is it what you're saying?
My personal business, I said that earlier.
Oh no. Oh no. This is not personal. There are certain matters that are not personal. And divorce is not one of it.
I think at this point we don't have any conversation anymore.
Really?
Yes, really. Excuse me. Stay out of my car.
I think I'm also done with a lunatic like you.
Stop the nearest cab.
Bounce! Bounce!
Oh, princess. My love. How are you?
I'm fine.
How was your day?
It was great.
Did you miss me?
I missed you.
Welcome, honey.
I'll see you later.
Princess.
Yes, mommy.
Enter the car. Fred. Has it gotten to this? Why would you ignore my greetings in the presence of our daughter? What is going on?
I should be the one asking you if it has gotten to you telling Ken. I believe Ken is now your ally.
I don't understand. Make it make sense to me.
Alright. I'll make it make sense to you. I see Ken is now your ally, godfather, best of friends, mentor. He now tells you what to do. So he has the effrontery to come challenge me on what to do in my own house.
Perhaps he challenged you because he knows you're off the track.
I'm off the track. Someone who knows nothing about relationship, courtship, friendship, love, marriage, now talks to me about divorce. What does he know?
I didn't tell him to challenge you. I just complained about your recent attitude to him and he offered to speak to you.
Good. He did well. Guess what? I'm listening to him and I'm not going to divorce you.
Are you serious?
End of discussion.
Mommy, why are you crying? You didn't come back to the room.
It's nothing. I decided to sleep in the living room.
Did Daddy tell you not to come back to sleep with us?
No, your father never said that to me, okay?
Then why are you crying? Daddy, why do you always carry Mommy out of the room in the night?
Did you see me?
Princess, you see... Princess, did you tell Mom that I always take her to the sitting room at night?
No.
Aha, take 5. Aha. You see, Princess, Mom and I are playing a game. If you tell her, she will win. If you don't, it means I'll win. And when I win, I am definitely going to get to your favorite toy. Huh? Right? So now you hurry to the kitchen to help Mom. Remember, do not tell Mom that I take her to the sitting room at night. Secret?
Okay, I won't tell.
I trust you. Beautiful princess. Secret?
Secrets.
Good. Now see you in the kitchen.
Okay.
Bye.
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 So, have you been able to sign the divorce paper yet?
Not yet. Maybe by weekend.
Good. So, have you been able to sort yourself out?
If I haven't, I will ask for more time. And I'm certain she will give.
I cannot guarantee that.
There's always a way around everything.
No. Not everything has a way around it. Not everything you buy through the back door.
You're right. Just like the divorce.
You're not making any sense. So all this while you never had a concrete reason to divorce her. And now you want to go back to her to tell her you're no longer interested in the divorce. How?
I know it's hard. But that is exactly what I am going to do when I go.
Now what if she has made up her mind to go through the divorce? What if she has packed her things and leave the house before you get there? What will you do?
But all this was a test for me to know how loyal she could be. To know her character better, to know if she's compatible, to know if she truly loves me. But you know, it all got out of hand when I started taking her to the sitting room to sleep.
Wait a minute. Hold on. You've been the one carrying her to the sitting room all along. God. Honestly, this is wickedness. Listen, you're going to explain all this to her. I'm definitely not going with you. You mean you've been playing with your wife's life all this while? This is wickedness and very expensive.
She was supposed to sign the papers today. I know what I'll do. If I get home and found out that she has signed the papers, I'll just tear it and tell her it was an act to find out how much she loves me, her patience, and to know if we're compatible.
You know what I think? I pray she does not forgive you.
And if I get home and she hasn't signed the papers yet, I would realize that she has an unending love for me. I will not just cherish her for the rest of my life, but I will surprise her with a gift. A car is a gift.
Can you hear yourself talk? Of course she loves you. You know she loves you very much. Let me tell you, no woman will endure what she has endured in your hands. And you think buying her a car gift will make any difference?
Let the game begin. We can play the game together.
There is no game. Benita, you win. There is no game. Please. I know I messed up. I know I took this whole thing too far. I'm sorry.
You don't have to be sorry. You have a stony heart.
Please.
And I will not forgive you.
No, everybody, please, please, please.
No amount of please will make me change my mind. Just the way you didn't change your mind when I was going through a lot.
I wasn't serious.
Oh, really?
I wasn't serious.
We will play the game to the end.
No, Benita. It all ends here. Don't stretch it.
No, it won't. Don't even say that, Joyce. This game will not end here. Even if every other person here doesn't know what I went through because of him. My ex-husband, you know everything. You know the dangerous experience in that forest. What if we had lost our lives? Maybe you would have come to the grave to say you're sorry.
No.
Right?
No.
Probably drop some bruises.
No. 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 Benita, please.
Do you know what we went through all in the name of asking and seeking for results why you changed? Joyce, I'm tired. Things are not getting any better. It keeps getting worse.
Why? Why kill yourself with so much heartbreak? You have to be strong. There's a light at the end of the tunnel. Yes.
Why did you say that? Which tunnel?
A problem shared is a problem half solved.
I don't understand.
Well, I spoke to somebody about your situation and she took me somewhere.
You did?
Yes.
The person took you somewhere. Choice. I hope this somewhere you're talking about is not some native doctor's place. I just hope.
Madam, are you concerned about where we're going to? Or if it's actually going to bring a solution to your problem?
I think you're right. I love Fred. I can't afford to miss him. I would do everything humanly possible within my power to save my marriage.
Now you're talking. So, are we there? Are we going?
Rita!
Yes, ma'am.
Get my bag and my car keys. Be fast. Fast! I'll be back.
Joyce, why are you laughing? What's funny? No, nothing. I'm just surprised at how you took off without a second thought.
Name. Ndị Igbo sị na onye nsị na-akpa na-ebu ụzọ amaba ọfịa. Hey, I had to. Do you know what I'm going through? And most importantly, you gingered my mind. Those right words from you encouraged me and motivated me. I can't wait to see the end of this. I can't afford to lose my husband though. I love Fred so much. I can't afford to lose him. So I will do everything within my power to secure my marriage and my love.
You won't lose him. You won't.
Thank you so much, darling. I wonder what I would have done without you. You are a friend indeed. In fact, you're my sister. Thank you, Joy.
You're welcome. We're sisters, so we have each other's back. Anytime, any day.
Thank you. I can't wait for everything to be over.
You surprised me.
Yeah.
Like, serious? No, you did.
Love never teach you something.
I go love you.
Breakfast now, you know.
I can't even see anyone or any house around.
That's because you didn't come here for that. You came here to get your issues resolved.
You started again. I'm scared. We are in the middle of nowhere.
You shouldn't be scared. Let's follow this road.
Are you sure?
Yes, follow me.
Joyce, you actually followed your friend down to this place just to find solution for me?
Yes, I had to follow so I should know where I'm bringing you to. And we're here now. Any more questions? Because we're close.
Not any for now. Talking about my husband, what if he gets to my shop and I'm not there? What explanation am I going to give to him?
So what? You're actually here because you want to please him and make you love him more. So what? What?
It's okay, it's okay. I appreciate every bit of your help. I didn't mean to get you upset.
Sit. Stop looking back. You should be thinking of how to bring your husband back. Then throw your concern to the lady who has refused to make use of her life but has chosen to make her life useless. Stop looking at your friend as if we discussed you before she brought you here. To brief you on how powerful this place is. To your amazement, this morning, your husband gave you a very hot kiss before leaving. And you cried for hours, wondering what his motives were, what was behind his actions. Your friend was not there, was she? And you've not told her about it, did you? So what exactly do you want? To get your husband back? Or to remote control him?
I want to get my husband back.
Yes, all she wants is a husband she married.
You have heard what she said. Grant her her heart's desires. You shall have your wishes. But everything goes with a price. Every good thing goes with a price. The price to pay.
I know they need some money. I know, definitely. It's kind of thing you need money, but this amount is huge.
Listen, Joyce, money is not my problem. Even if it demands me selling my shop, I wouldn't hesitate to do that. I can do anything, yes. I can
Desperation.
I want to do everything within my power to save my marriage and have my husband back.
That's desperation. And you know every hungry man out there will pounce on you just to make good of this situation.
Joyce, we are beginning to waste the time we don't have. We need to proceed already.
The money is too much.
I am very tired. But wait. The lady there seems like someone I know. And I think there's something she was trying to tell me.
Wow. At times you make me laugh. If not that I know you have issues, I would have said you needed to see a doctor. You're losing it. How can a deaf and dumb try to tell you something? Does that even make sense?
I know what I'm talking about. I can feel it. There's something.
Wow. You're not done settling your issues. Now you're thinking about another person's problem. Are you serious? Let's go. We don't have time. Benita, if you withdraw this money, won't your bank manager tell your husband?
Don't worry. That's where we're going. We're going to see him. I want to talk with him.
Talk to him about what? You want to tell him the native doctor demanded for some money?
I've never said that. I'm not a child. He's not my family member or my husband. So don't worry, I'll handle it.
Okay, you say so.
I say so. Relax.
We'll soon get there.
What is it? Anita, stop.
I should
Stop
stop?
the car. Yes, stop.
Why?
The car. Just stop, please.
Okay.
Stop. We need to talk.
Oh, what is it you want us to talk about? Can you wait till we get there?
No.
We are running late. Okay.
I've been expecting your husband's call till now, but he hasn't called. So what did you tell the bank manager?
What I told him. I told you not to worry yourself about that, and I'll handle it. I did handle it. I gave him 200,000 to get 1.5 million naira.
Now this is outrageous.
What is outrageous is the way you're acting and behaving. What is wrong with you?
See, I just feel like the path we're treading, it's not the right path.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Are you alright?
Yes, I'm okay.
How can you say that?
Look, I know I want your marriage to work. I really want everything to be fine with your home again, but I don't feel like this is the right path.
I do not understand you. You went as far as following your friend to that place so you can get the road and take me there. Why all of a sudden are you feeling the way you're feeling?
I'm having a second thought. I don't feel anything right.
Okay, fine. You're having a second thought. Probably you don't want us to go to that place again. I understand. So, what's the option? What's the alternative? You don't have any option. You don't have any alternative. Just listen to yourself. Why now? Why now we are almost at the verge of solving this problem? You know everything I'm going through in my marriage. What do you expect me to do? What would you rather have me do? Please, I guess the devil is trying to use you. Don't allow it to work.
No devil is using me, Benita. No devil is using me. I just feel like something is not right.
Everything is right. Okay? The most important thing is that I have found a solution to my problem. He promised to do it, and I am not relenting. I'm not backing out. Let's go.
Benita.
My husband. Pick up. I can't.
Why?
Okay, what will I tell him?
Tell him anything that comes to your head.
Like, if I tell him I'm somewhere and he decides to come meet me there, what will I tell him if he gets
Tell
there?
him another place, then you switch off your phone.
That would be lying. That would be me lying to him and it won't be... Okay, you know what? I'd rather switch off my phone.
Then do it.
Yes, let me just switch off my phone and probably when I turn it on, I will tell him that I went out with you, my phone, I had low battery and I didn't go out with charger.
Now you're going to make me to lie.
Let's go. I'll keep this phone in my car.
Okay.
Let's go. What's everyone for? Joyce, what is it? Why are you shrugging? What is the problem? Eh?
Look, Benita, I know I told you about all of this, but my spirit is down. I feel like something bad is going to happen.
Are you kidding me right now? I know the devil is trying to use you to frustrate this movement, but I won't let that happen.
That's not it. You don't get it. Like, what if this man takes this 1.5 million and doesn't solve any solution or doesn't bring any solution to our problems and even kill us?
That's so hilarious. He wouldn't do that. You know he can't do a thing like that.
It's very possible. Like, it's money we're talking about here. It's money. Okay, look, what can he buy here with 500,000? Let alone 1.5 million.
Joycey, I've seen 99 and I am not scared of 100. I will get to the root of this problem and I'll make sure I solve it. Let's go.
I have a bad feeling.
I don't know why you're changing your mind.
I have counted the money.
So, Esedibia, what do we do now?
Yes, I have to go into the next village to procure some herbs and animal parts that I will use for the job. You see, that was why when I mentioned 1.5 million and your friend here was shouting that it was too much. See, at the end of this whole work, you find that I may not even have up to 100,000 naira that is my own in this.
The person that brought me here didn't mention such to me. So when I came, I saw a different thing and I was wondering if I was at the right place.
And now,
It makes sense.
so I will just go in there, change, go quickly, and come back so that I can settle both of you. And can return to the city before it's dark.
Thank you, is it?
See you later.
So, are you still in doubt?
No.
Thank God I'm very strong-willed. If not, you nearly made me change my mind.
It's a good thing you didn't change your mind.
Listen, I'm out to put an end to whatever that is bringing frustration in my marriage.
It's good you didn't listen to me.
I will never listen to you.
You know what?
Hello, Chief. Chief. Yeah, I'm good. And how are you doing? It's a family. Yes. Yeah, it will be ready within the next 1 hour. Yeah. No, Chief. Listen to me first. Yeah, you see, the cost of getting good ones is high right now. So they're coming down. I have to increase. So you have to add something for me. Yes, something very, very reasonable. So that's what I'm talking about. The cost of getting good ones is high. So, no problem. The next 1 hour, I promise you. Okay. Deal. All right.
Anita, don't you think you switch on your phone now and call your husband?
If I call him, what will I tell him?
Say you went out of town to buy some goods. Anything.
I don't think that's a good idea. I would rather call him on our way home. By then, we would have been done with everything.
If you say so.
Yes.
Let's focus on what brought us here and leave.
You're right.
Please.
So what took you guys so long? You know I'm a businessman. I work with time.
Ezemo, you no go vex. That's something that delay us make us come late. So make your blood never hot.
Okay. Go get your tools. I have a very important client to attend to within the next 1 hour. 1 hour. Get your tools quickly.
Alpha, where the goods day?
My place.
Your place?
Yes.
Ezemo, you never hear the latest update?
What's that?
Our price don't go high now. We don't upgrade. So you need to top some block now. You know what's the be.
What are you talking about?
Ezemo, wetin dey try let you know be say as e be now na block men go collect.
Na so.
300k or nothing. You understand? As e be now, one step up our game. We dey run on the legit matters now.
Legit.
Okay. Go get your tools.
Alright.
Let's go.
Ezemo for the men.
Ezemo, what doings?
Hello.
We
don't have time. We don't have time.
Ezemo for the men. When you for the kill man.
If this works out, I'll definitely throw a party as if I won presidential election if this works for me.
Of course it would work.
What? Hello. How are you?
Where is he?
Who?
He means the native doctor.
Okay, he went to get the material he'll be working for us with.
He's not what you think he is.
What are you trying to say? What do you mean by that?
Most women who come here to be worked for, they never get out alive. He has kept me here for a long time. He has been sleeping with me, beating me, without giving me food. All in the name that I came to look for solution to my husband who's always having issues with me. If he said he has gone to look for what to work with for you, then he has gone to call the men that kill for him.
Huh? Did you say kill?
Yes.
Are you serious?
He sells body parts. I told you about this thing. You can go inside. There's a big tank in there. Take a look and confirm for yourself. Please help me stand up. We need to get out of here.
Jesus! God! It's true! Jesus, Fred, you will not kill me. Truly. He sells human parts. We need to leave here now. Now. Let's go. We have to go. Please try. Stand. Please. God, we have to go. God. Fred. Oh my God. You have to stand up.
Is it Monday guy?
As the Dibia. I beg, get to one beg you for. Run out for us.
Is it more? We won't make you grant us the opportunity. Make we enjoy the girls before we go butcher them. Butcher them woto.
As long as you walk according to time, no problem.
It's the money we ain't got to because.
It's a Monday guy.
You know what I think? But let me warn you, no one must go close to my Joan. She is my sweet potato.
It's a potato. There is no problem. It's a Monday guy.
Potato.
Good. Joy has killed me. Come, let's go. Hey! Go. Fight everywhere.
Let's go. Oh my God. Oh, Joanne. I'm tired. Please. You rest when we get into the car and drive. Please. I need to rest. Please. You rest when we get into the car and drive off. Please. I need to rest. I'm tired.
See, we need to go. Living here is like handing ourselves over to them for them to kill us. We need to leave right now.
You two should go. You need to run off to your car to get help. But please don't forget the number and address I gave you of my parents. Should in case anything happened to me.
No. Nothing is going to happen to you. We'll all live here alive. Please, let's go.
Let's go. Let's help her.
I would love to try. I don't have any strength left in me. The more you wait here, you two will be in danger. Just go. Just go.
Okay, can we carry her?
Just go.
Help us now.
You will be in danger.
Let's go!
Joanne! What have you done? Where are those girls with you? Hey!
See this girl, oh. So you don't put sand for our gari? Just like that.
You what, yeah? You collect everything now.
Oh no!
You collect everything now.
You collect.
I don't like it. You make me go in that pala. Are you mad? You what, yeah?
Don't run much. Don't run much. Once more.
Don't make your day back.
Oh yeah.
Oh, sorry.
You twat. Those ladies, they can't leave this forest just like that. They are women, I believe they might be close.
Oh, see! Those guys cannot go far. Now we get this bush, we know every look and every corner for this bush. If we move now, we'll catch up with them.
Look, as soon as I lay my hands on them, I will cut out Joanne's heart from her. The first thing I do, cut out her heart. Chew it! That guy thinks she can blind me, using my own charm against me. Let's go!
I'm not happy at all.
Go after them! Go.
So what now? My dear, nothing. I'll just watch him. As a matter of fact, he can continue with whatever he wants to do. Just see, what if I had died? He would probably mourn me with a hate in his heart and get himself another woman after that, right? No. I can't die because of a man. I know I've not wronged him. I know I've not done anything wrong to deserve this kind of treatment, but I will let him have his way.
What if we had died?
Hey, thank God for our lives.
It's not my fault. I took you there.
It's not your fault. You wanted the best for me. I appreciate you, darling. Your instincts were right after all. I should have listened to you.
I told you I had a second thought about this.
I was just desperate.
Where are you coming from?
Could you please allow me have
And you think I'm joking with you? Huh? You think I'm joking? Where the hell are you coming from?
I said, kindly allow me to have my shower so I can have strength to
Really?
explain to you.
Really? I should allow you to go have your shower so you can have strength to explain to me for the very last time. Where are you coming from? Speak!
How come you can run like a horse? What's up, again?
See, we need to get to the car first before any other thing. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Run.
Sam, I think we are close to them. Yes. You're right, I can smell them. Let's go.
Ah, look at you.
Get them!
Hold them!
Guy, as I don't move down like this, the next 20 minutes, I can't do it. So, Awawa.
Hey! Hey! Orakusa! Orakusa! Hey! Hey!
Oh my God, so I'm alive.
Yes, you are. This is a story to tell.
So if not for super grace of God, this is how this man would have raped and killed us simply because I'm looking for a way to know why my husband is acting weird.
Please, let's just drive safely and get home first.
Let's not forget to make an entry at the police station. They need to apprehend those men before they leave that forest.
Immediately. What is this man driving? Get out of my way!
Please, drive safely, please.
Okay, I'm tensed.
Just need to calm down.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Newsflash. 3 girls were found dead.
Hey, God forbid.
It's not emotion.
Never. Hey, God. I didn't know I could run like this.
I don't have the strength to laugh. Osondo.
You guys saved me. I'm so grateful.
You saved us too.
You saved us too. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
I'm approaching the police station. Leave the way. I don't even understand how some people drive in this town.
Just take it easy.
Please.
Take it easy.
So, after all that, you will expect me to forgive him? Is it possible? I will not. Please.
Please forgive me. Please.
If we're in your shoes, I will forgive him. God saved us to see this day. Please find it in your heart to forgive him. He's your husband.
I know you're truly hurt, but this is not what we agreed on. Please forgive him.
Come here, my baby. Come. I love you, baby. But I will not forgive your father. Okay? Be happy, my child. Let go of me.
Just will I tell her?
already told her I'm sorry. It was just...
I love you. I fucking love you. Can we get this party started? Can we go to Oh my god, you're so finally. Come on. Oh yes, thank you. Okay, so let's get the party started.